Hey everybody, it's Ozzy Rodriguez here with another WordPress tutorial. Today we're going to be adding featured images to our blog posts using the Catalyst framework for WordPress. Dynamic, the tutorial that I did, the PFC to WordPress using Dynamic for Genesis. So Dynamic is a child theme, and it was originally developed for the Catalyst framework. And then adapted to the Genesis framework. Today we're going to be using the Catalyst framework for it. Let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll go to our dashboard. Well, I guess before we get into that, so I've loaded some images into my posts, and the posts do have featured images, but if we click on the posts, they're not being displayed. So we want them to display here on the top of our posts. We'll go to Catalyst, and first thing we want to do is define the size of our featured image, or a custom thumbnail. And we do that by going to Catalyst Core Options, Excerpts, and then over here on the right hand side we have custom thumbnail sizes. So here you can either do a resize or crop. We can do either or. You just use a resize so it maintains the aspect ratio of the image that we upload. So we're going to make these 790 by 250, and we'll save. So really easy. Then we go to Dynamic, Advanced Options. We're going to add a custom hook box. And we are going to name it Featured Image in Post. So the reason why I try to be as descriptive as possible, there's going to come times where you're going to have like 10 hook boxes, and it's really good to be descriptive. So that way you open them up, and you can scroll through and know exactly which one does what. So that's why I named it this. You can name it whatever you want though. Then we choose the hook that it goes in. We're going to go to content hooks, and we can do it before post title or after post title. We use after post title, and then we add just a little bit of code. So if you go to the website, you'll see I go in depth, and try to explain what each of this does. If it's single, that's basically telling it, okay, so on single blog posts, do this, and then the post thumbnail, that's the WordPress function to grab the featured thumbnail, and then we're telling it which one to grab, the custom thumb. That's the name of the thumbnail that we made earlier. And then the array class, and align left, we're telling it that's the class. So in the Catalyst framework, you can either align left, align center, or align right. So we're going to align it to the left. Then we save changes. And now if we do a refresh, here we see the featured thumb appear after the post title. Now if we were to change it to before post title, hit save changes, then it'll go above the post title. It's really that simple. And that's it. So you could do the same thing for the Genesis Dynamic for Genesis framework. It's still that simple. The hook's going to be a little bit different, but other than that, it's pretty much the same. So I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.